Another drama in the Mseleko house, and this week's highlight is Mnini's sense of humor, which continues to capture so many people's hearts, and the drama between Makhumalo and Mayeni. Well, here's what happened on the latest episode. Mnini and Musa went on an ice cream lunch, and people who follow this channel will know that my favorite cast of the show is Mnini. So it appeared that my favorite cast member was Hlupa at school, so while they were discussing that, Mnini mentioned that he has a problem. He then broke and cried, and like everybody else, while trying to follow what Mnini's problem is, he then pulled this. Which is why I believed Musa Mseleko when he said that Mnini is just smart, and this has since been trending on X. Another scene that got fans talking is a conversation between Mayeni and Makhumalo. So, Makhumalo invited Mayeni to a lunch, and the agenda was to discuss what Mayeni said on one of the previous episodes, where she told everyone that she was told by Mpilo that akawuyena uma wakhe. So it appeared that Mpilo watshelwa ukuthi angabizwa Mayeni ngoma, and Mayeni revealed this on a meeting that Musa Mseleko had with his wife. So Makhumalo made so that they can try and fix that. What got everyone talking about this was Mayeni's reaction when she learns why Makhumalo called her to the lunch. Many people believe that Mayeni was being mean to Makhumalo and her attitude was not necessary. Some of the Twitter posts that I've read suggest that Mayeni should have listened and tried meeting Makhumalo halfway. What I'm noticing is that Mayeni and Makhumalo don't really like each other. I remember the last season when they were fighting over a catering company, then later it was a makeup for it in July. So that gives me enough reason to believe that these two are beefing. And what I said about all of this is that it all portrays Mayeni as a bad person to someone who's watching. But at the same time, I think Makhumalo has an evil side that she is not showing on the screens. That is why all the world treat her the way they do. I would really like to say more about this, but I won't because ngiyanazi nizongithuka nini. But think about it, guys. Why is everyone ill-treating her? Her heart and her intentions are as pure as she's portraying on our screens. But I won't say anything. And with that being said, this is the end of this video. Please comment in the comment section and let me know what do you think about this video. And if you enjoyed content on this video, please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.